I like using them instead of the wire ones, easy to use. Got these for my husband's workshop. They are actually a little short for many of his tools, but perfect for the kitchen gadgets smiley face. I have these on almost everything in the house now. Great invention. Big pile of velcro ties for cheap. As an AV guy, this is perfect. Buy this if you need a lot of cable ties and you don't want to spend a ton of money. Nuff said. Holds wires without issue, but releases easily. I love them. Of course for tidying wire and cords, but I use these as reusable bread bag ties, temporary hangers in my garage, looping a few together and bundling clothes when traveling, etc. These were packaged well and hold up great. Not sure I needed so many, but they come in handy. I have been using these everywhere in my home. I am glad the pack comes with so many cause I now have them around most of my appliance cables for storage, as well as using them to organize TV and computer cables to tidy up my living room and office spaces. I still have plenty left and I've actually used them as holders for other things, like organizing pens in my bag, cards in my purse, and random other uses. For the price and quantity you will not be disappointed. I love these tie bands. I use them throughout the house and in the car for various items. I recommend them highly if you're looking for a simple quick tie band for cables, bags or whatever. These work very well and get the job done. I needed 8 bundles of 4 Ethernet cables each. For each bundle I wrapped about every 2 feet. These work perfect. Click link in description for more reviews.